vocabulary for a while. I've got space in my closet and about 1 billion years of doubt.